Before going forward, let me remind you, if you have not still subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will get our latest videos very fast and very soon. Thank you very much. Today's topic is very interesting topic, and which is one of my favorite topic, that is EPON versus GEPON. As you know friends, in the market lot of people have confused regarding these two things, what is EPON and what is GEPON, because whenever we deals in the market with so many people, regularly they complain, sir, nobody tells us about the difference between EPON and GEPON. So today we are here to discuss the basic difference, what is the difference between EPON and GEPON. Before going forward, let me tell you a few basic things. First of all, what are the products which we require while using EPON and GEPON? Let me tell you, here we are having some products in front of us like OLT. This OLT is the product which we use commonly in our control room. This OLT differs when we use EPON as well as when we use GEPON. Let me tell you, there are few difference between EPON and GEPON while using the products. See, as you can see, these two OLTs which look similar if we compare EPON and GEPON. This is our EPON OLT and this is our GEPON OLT. So if you can see, both the inputs as well as the output ports are same in both the OLTs. Like in this one, our EPON OLT, you will find this is 8 port OLT, EPON OLT. Here you will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 port of PON ports are there. Similarly here 8 SFP ports are there. Here 8 RJ45 or you can say electrical ports are there. Same here in this GEPON OLT, also the same ports. You can find 8 PON ports, 8 SFP ports and 8 RJ45 ports are there. So it means in terms of OLT, both terminology are same. But when we go for the ONU section, what we use in the case of customer end, if we use this word EPON, then definitely we have to use ONU. It means whenever we are using EPON OLT in our control room, then definitely we have to use ONU at the customer end. Similarly, if we are using GEPON OLT in our control room, then definitely we have to use ONT, that is optical network terminal, that is we are using in our customer end. The basic difference what these two are in our field area, that I will show in this board. So friends, now as I have shown, I will show you on the board what is the basic difference between EPON and GEPON. Like I have told you, there is a few things which we have to keep always in our mind while choosing EPON and GEPON. First of all, the terminology. What is the meaning of EPON and GEPON? E and G is the alphabet difference is there. E stands for Ethernet. So here the only difference is called Ethernet, and whereas here G stands for gigabit. Otherwise, both are same. So the next thing is product. Which are the products used in EPON and GEPON? As I told you just now that OLTs are same, but the ONU part, that is different. We call it in different names. Like in EPON we call it ONU, whereas in GEPON we call it ONT. So that is the only difference. That is called in this. Here we call it ONU. And here with OLT of GEPON we use ONT, optical network terminal. Similarly, the third point is range. What are the range covered with these two technology, EPON whereas GEPON? If we talk about EPON, there is nothing difference. Both are same as the range is 20 kilometers. If we use EPON or if we use GEPON, the range will be remain same, that is 20 kilometers. It will not like that. if we are using GEPON, it will become 40 km, 60 km. No, it will remain same, 20 km, 20 km. Now if the range is same, now what is the basic difference? The basic difference is the splitting ratio, or commonly asked question is, so many people ask, okay, sir, I am using EPON, how many customers I can attach with this, and if I am using GEPON, how many customers I can go with that. Similarly, here in EPON, the splitting ratio will be always 1:64. It means we can go maximum up to 20 km, we can attach 64 customers with our one PON port. Similarly, if I am talking about 8 port OLT of EPON, it means 8 ports are there. If I am taking one port of OLT, with this one port I can attach maximum 64 customers, that is up to the range of 20 km. It means we cannot go beyond that 20 kilometers. It always depends upon how much power we are using. Similarly, in GEPON, now here you will find the basic difference. Here we can use 128 customers. It is actually standard, but while if you are using it, you will not find that much of connection. Hardly we will go, it will go with I think maximum which I have seen is 115 or 118 up to 118. So this is the basic difference between EPON and GEPON. Here you can go with 128 customers along with GEPON technology. Similarly, here also I have written that customer attached. Here the number of connection you can go with 55 to 60. Here you can go with 100 to 115 or 118 like that. Now ports. Here uplink port and downlink ports are there. Now it is very important to remember these 2 points. Here also uplink and downlink. Here in uplink and downlink ports, our speed will be same, that is 1.25 Gbps. Here also 1.25 Gbps. But here in GEPON, our speed in uplink port it will be remain same, 1.25 Gbps. But in downlink case, our speed will be 2.5 Gbps. So this is the basic difference. Here the speed will be remain same while uplink and downlink ports. Here in downlink it will be 2.5. That is just double of EPON. Same as wavelength. Wavelengths we are using for uplink, it is 1310, whereas for downlink it is 1490. Whereas in GEPON it is 1310 and here is 1490 and 1550, like that. So and now two more points are there, that is standard follows. Here the standard, which is the basic standard, it follows is IEEE 802.AH. We are not go in brief what is the standard and what else is there, because it will not come more in use for you. Now here it is ITU TG 90 not 904, it is 984. And protocols, protocol, it is important. In case of EPON, it is always only follows Ethernet protocol. That is the same like this, Ethernet protocol. But basically in our EPON technology, it follows little bit more protocols like ATM, like I will write it here, ATM, like Ethernet, like TDM, and like GEM. So friends, here I have tried you to in a very easy way to understand what is the basic difference between EPON and GEPON technology. So thank you very much for watching our